Hey guys, all right, so still doing this painting job and trying to get up this ladder while trying to hold all this stuff. Okay, so wanted to add another tip to the list of things that I've given you guys so far. Crap. Okay. I have this, I don't know if you can see it. See that tool? This here could be used on the edges when you're painting using paintbrushes like this. And if you paint the edge, you're going to get paint onto the window, the metal interface between the wood and the metal where the window frame is. In order to prevent that from happening, what you can do is you can put the metal, I don't know what it's called exactly, but it's used usually for joint compound to flatten this this material onto drywall. Put it up against the edge like that, and then when you do your painting like this, you can prevent it from getting on the metal interface. Some of the paint will seep through that metal plate and it will still get on the metal interface, but this is latex based paint. It's water based, so you can pretty much just let it semi dry and wipe it off, or kind of try and get it off with your finger. But the other thing that would take longer would be to tape all your surfaces that you don't want to get paint on, and then do your paint job. So prep with paint takes the longest amount of time, and it's kind of up to you how you like to do it. People don't like to do prep because it takes a long time, but ultimately it's probably going to get you the best results. This is just another tip that would help you get the job done faster. Now, if you're using oil-based paints, I would recommend definitely taping that surface, because the oil base is really difficult to get off and it's very messy. This is an exterior acrylic latex based paint, and the acrylic part of it helps this paint last over 10 years. This is a Sherwin-Williams, and the product that's similar to this has a 15-year guarantee. This one says it's weatherproof. This should last longer than latex only or oil-based paint for exterior work. And sometimes people recommend using this stuff for the interior, for example, cabinets, where you want it to last a long time, or if you're doing floors. I know you're probably thinking like paint on the floors, that's a little bit on the oddball thing, but you know, if you do paint on wood flooring on a front porch, or if you're doing paint on wood flooring, you could get the job done potentially a lot faster with it, and deal with less of the smells if you're doing latex based paint on the floor. I've done it before, it kind of comes off, so I'm trying this urethane based paint, and I may potentially try an oil based paint for the floor in the future. And stay tuned, because I'll eventually do a YouTube video on that. Paint is one of the cheapest remodeling jobs you can do in a house with the highest return on investment. This stuff, I did a cost calculation on this before, ends up being about 7 cents per square feet. Compare that to vinyl flooring, which even at the low end is probably about $1 per square feet. And then that doesn't even count the install cost. Tile, which is $2 per square feet, $2 to $4 per square feet, and your install cost for those would probably run about $4 per square feet. Paint goes on real fast, and I'll be doing a video on spraying an airless sprayer, which help you get the paint on the surface 10 to 14 times faster than brushing it on. And if you use a roller, an air gun will get it on there about 4 times faster than using a roller. All right.